Forex Daily Update, July 29, 2025. So, here is our market recap for today. So, correction first. Previously, nasabi ko we were down negative 16%. Pero nung dinouble check ko, yung actual figure is negative 18.99%. Sorry po. Sorry na agad. So today's profit, we gain 0.4% using the same lot size. Maliit lang yung profit pero at least this time, we came prepared. So this time, before ako mag-enter ng trade, tinatanong ko, why am I entering this trade? Where will I exit? So, yun yung lagi kong ginagawa ngayon para maiwasan natin yung pochi-pochi-bio tsaka yung revenge trading. So, because of that, yung drawdown natin is negative 17.61% na lang. Hindi na lang. Kailangan natin tong bawiin. Okay, for our strategy updates, I made few changes sa strategy ko. So, kailangan ko pa siyang i-monitor closely. So, yung difference this time is what I've said is risk management. So, ang ginagawa ko, pag hindi ako confident dun sa setup, nagre-reduce ako ng lot size para kahit matalo, hindi siya masyadong masakit. So, market overview natin today, July 29, 2025. Sa 11 PM, meron tayong red folder news. So, kailangan natin itong iwasan. So, market trend is consolidation. So, yung range ng market today is 60 pips. Resistance is 148.717 to 148.591. Support 148.213 to 148.125. So trade summary natin today. Sell entry ko is 148.444. Tapos nag-exit ako ng 148.437. Medyo nagkamali ako ng analysis dito, guys. Kasi I saw a resistance level. So, nag-exit ako. Kala ko magbabounce siya. Though nag-bounce naman siya, pero yung confluence natin is still pointing downward. Sayang hindi ko trinust yung analysis ko. Kaya kailangan pa natin siyang i-backtest ulit. So, yung ibang trades ko is scalping. So, meron ako nakitang new confluence ko para sa scalping strategy ko, pero kailangan ko pa siyang aralan. So pag ganun, hindi ko masyadong tinataas yung lot size ko. So yun lang for today. See you guys.